Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is for blueberry cream cheese French toast in a crock pot, and it's super good. So I started off with 10 eggs, some milk, and some brown sugar. I'm also going to add in some vanilla extract and also some cinnamon. Now I do have the full recipe below in the description box. Then I'm going to break up the eggs, whisk that together, and set it aside. I also took a loaf of bread. I think I got Italian bread, just like from the bakery, a big loaf of bread. And I diced that up, put half of it at the bottom of the crock pot. I did spray the crock pot. Then I took about a cup of blueberries and put that on top. These are frozen. You do not have to thaw them. And then I have one block of cream cheese that I also diced up into little cubes, and I'm going to put about half of that down. Just making a layer to make sure everything's mixed together. So once you're done with that, you can add about half of that egg mixture and then repeat the process. Put the rest of the bread in there, the blueberries, the cream cheese, the egg mixture. I did sprinkle additional cinnamon on top of mine before I baked it, because as you can see in the background in the bowl, the cinnamon always sticks to the side. So even though I scraped it out well, I still added some more on top. And the recipe I found said to cook this on low for 5 to 6 hours. I don't know about you, but I don't wake up and wait 5 to 6 hours to eat breakfast. So I did mine on low for 4 hours to test it, and it was fine. So I don't think you need to do it that long. You could probably crank it up to high and get it done, a lot sooner than that. But when it is done, take the lid off and spread out the cream cheese. It should be all nice and melty. And then you can plate it. You could scoop some out, add powdered sugar if you want to, or just drizzle it with some syrup. This was really good and very easy to make, which is my favorite kind of recipe. So if you'd like to see more recipes, make sure you follow, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.